So, Marco, are you happy?
Yes, I can't wait to start.
Your lasagna is so good, Mom.
Marco, I'm so proud of you. Here's to Marco and his new job at the Scm Group. Cheers! Marco, come here. I want to show you something. I started just like you, but I was even younger.
Really, Grandad?
Here I am. Look, that's me, first on the left, 70 years ago. The company was run by the Aureli and Gemmani families as it is today. In those days, we worked in the foundry and we produced iron castings, recycling scrap iron from the war. Lanfranco Aureli, we called him Franco. He was a tough nut and determined. He went everywhere on his motorbike, even to work. Whenever he set his mind on something, nothing would stop him from doing it. Giuseppe, on the other hand, Nicola Gemmani's son, had just graduated as an engineer. He could have gone on to work in Milan, but decided to stay in the family business. They were really on the ball, saw eye to eye on everything, and never argued over anything. At that time, people were moving from the country to the city. Houses were popping up everywhere, and we needed everything. All kinds of furniture for kitchens, bedrooms. That was why they had the idea to produce machines for joiners. So they decided to design one of those machines. It had to be special, different from anything else on the market, much simpler and much more practical. From then on, the engineer worked day and night on the project. It had to be the best, in fact, invincible.
So, we are ready. We'll finally see it.
It's incredible, isn't it? I think nothing will stop us now.
We were all there on the day of the launch, around the new machine. At that point, Franco said something I'll never forget.
Don't ever forget, the customer takes first place. The company is above all else. Loyalty, transparency and honesty always pay.
Don't ever forget, Marco. Motivation and the happiness of your workmates are the backbone of any business. But you know, to do things well and be successful, your head is not enough. You need to put your heart into it. That is how our story began, the result of courage, genius, and passion. From the 1930s, the Aureli and Gemmani family lives were intertwined, both personally and professionally. This is how Livincibile came into being in 1952, a machine that was so innovative it instantly proved to be a huge success. The group continued to produce strategic components and soon became a global leader in woodworking machines. And then later, machines for advanced materials, plastic, glass, stone and metal. Today, the lives of 4,000 families are interwoven with our company.